Ever dreamt of bringing your drawings to life? Let's dive into Adobe Animate Cc. First things first, open Animate and click Create New. You'll then have several options. Choose Action Script 30 for a good starting point. Now, let's create something. On the left, select the rectangle tool and draw a square on the stage. Next, look at the timeline at the bottom. This is where the magic happens. Notice that we have frames. This is the basis of animation. Let's make our square move. Select frame 20 on the timeline and insert a keyframe by right-clicking and selecting Insert Keyframe. Now move your square to the other side of the stage. Will create a motion. Now, to make it move, right-click anywhere between frame 1 and frame 20 in the timeline and select Create Classic Tween. See your square move. Hit the play button and witness your first animation. That's it. You have created a movement in Animate. Experiment with different shapes, positions, and the number of frames. Play around with a few things and you will go far. You've just scratched the surface. Keep practicing, and most importantly, keep creating.